Hi, welcome to the homepage of UPAR. Today we're going to look at adding and managing educators inside of the UPAR district license. I am signed into universalpar.com and I am signed in as an admin. Now you will also be signed in as an admin and you will be able to see both of these buttons, manage protocols and manage educators. Before we add any educators, I want to talk about the difference between the permission levels of an admin, which you have, and the permission levels of educators, which we will add into the license. As an admin, you're able to see all protocols and all student data inside of the UPAR license. When we add educators, they are only able to see the data and the student usage of the protocols that they've created. So if I'm an OT with the district and I have one protocol with 5 students and my colleague has one protocol with 6 students, I can only see my students' data because I created those protocols for those students. So if I wanted to see my colleague's data, I would either have to ask her to share those protocols and information with me, or I would have to ask an admin on the license, such as yourself, to share that district data with me because you have the ability to see all of it. So when we go ahead and manage educators, we will click on manage educators to add them into the license. And we can add educators 2 ways. I can add them by individual email address, or I can add them by CSV file. And this is where I can add multiple educators at once. I'm going to go ahead and add my name. And I will click on Add Educator. As soon as I do this, I will see a pop-up at the bottom of my screen verifying that that educator has been added. Now, as an admin, I will go ahead and email that educator and let them know that they now can go to universalpar.com. They can click Sign In, and they can sign in using that email address. After they sign into universalpar.com, they will see a pending invitation into the license. Once they click Accept, they can begin using UPAR and create protocols for their students. Again, they will only see the information of the students that they create protocols for. When we scroll down, we see a list of educators inside of our license. It is alphabetical by first name, and we have different colors here on the side. So the dark gray indicates that those teachers have signed in and began using UPAR. The light gray, indicates that they have not yet signed in. So maybe I need to encourage those teachers to go to universalpar.com and sign in so they can have access to the district license. If you add an educator into the license and they should also have admin permissions, you can click on the cogwheel and you can change their permission level from educator to admin. If you have a site or a district-wide license, you also can change them to analyst so they can only view the usage and data of the district license. If you have any questions, please reference our product resource page or the Online Learning Academy. Thanks so much and have a great day.